Do you have a love for fashion?
Do you love spending your time in nature?
Do you love getting new bling?
If yes,
You have the perfect thing in store for you.
it's our new nature-inspired jewelry line.
Nature's Flag by 8/4. 100% natural. 100% biodegradable. 100% vegan.
100% classy.
Alex is wearing our new oak-tastic barrette.
And here's Alicia having her beautiful fan and ring on.
Allie is wearing our limited edition leaf beret.
Alyssa has on our Earth Goddess necklace and Rita-licious bracelet.
Wake up, post up, round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this.
All handmade by yours truly, A/4. Call now for this limited time offer. 1-800-NAT-SWAG. Get this whole set for $49.95 plus shipping and handling.
A $90 value. But wait!
Get all this necklace, rings, and bracelet for free. That's nuts. You won't want to leave this offer. Don't be left in the sticks.
Don't be acorns. Order now.
Call 1-800-NAT-SWAG to get your nature's